The University of Mary Washington, a public liberal arts college in Fredericksburg, Virginia, has a long-standing commitment to mentoring undergraduate research and creativity in our students. This summer, the UMW College of Arts and Sciences is piloting a new program for students in the arts, humanities, and social sciences, which builds on the success of more than 20 years of a summer science institute. In this poster, we'll talk about the success of the program, which runs from May 16th to June 16th, and what our next steps may be. Here are some of our current students to speak briefly about their projects.
Our group is working on devising a puppet performance.
We have the story and the outline of the show and plan to build on that foundation to create a more polished final project.
We've learned how to create and operate different styles of puppets, and how to plan and produce a devised performance.
Our group is working on making a searchable database of writing systems such as Cherokee and Chinese.
Thus far, we have created the website that communicates with the database. To add and update information, our researchers have added 139 scripts, and we have a prototype version of our final website.
And we hope to add 100 more scripts. So far, I've learned to take reliable research and do a lot of data entry.
I learned about the variety of writing scripts in the world.
And I've learned to make quick changes and make a more user-friendly website.
Our group is working on a study about the relationship of mindfulness to eye tracking and memory. So far, we have programmed our experiment, learned the specifics of eye tracking, and how to interpret the data that results from the software.
We have also learned that eye movement behaviors can be indicative of past experience even when there is no conscious awareness. We look forward to collecting our data and its analysis next week.
Our group is working on researching attributes of community gardens. Thus far, we have done a literary review about community gardens, volunteered in gardens, and visited established gardens in DC. We still hope to build a website for a new community garden here in Fredericksburg. Some things we learned are that community gardens promote social cohesion and increase access to fresh produce.
Our group is doing political science research on women in the Virginia General Assembly and their contributions to the state legislature. So far, we have tracked all the women in the House of Delegates for the 2020 regular session, looking at their party affiliation, district, committee assignments, campaign finances, and other variables that contribute to their overall representation and leadership style.
We have a few interviews lined up with current women in the Virginia General Assembly, and we are looking forward to hearing about specific experiences from women representatives. We have been doing background research on the operations of state legislatures across the United States to have a deeper understanding of government processes at the state level.